Hi guys, today there is Darlington job fair. Like, we have job fair in our village today. I mean that employers are going to be coming to the town center and they are going to be taking new employees. I don't know, this is my first time. I don't know how it's going to be. Maybe they'll be asking for CVs or we'll just use our mouth to sell ourselves. I don't know. But guys, I'm going for a job fair and then I'm looking like an employer already. Employer won't go employer. So guys, I'll see. I'm with my daughter. So we're going to see you when we get to the town center. Let's go and register now. Just take a look at our beautiful town. So colorful. Isn't this place?
Never. No.
So let me just we're going inside. The Darlington job. We are done. We don't finish show. And the highlight for me, let me show you the highlight. See this bag, they give you this bag so that we fit collect plenty things inside. There are different things on their table. You fit pick anything where you like. So let's see what we packed because we don't want to be greedy. So we didn't pack so much. We just packed things that we need. So this one for my son now, as it come blue, Aldi came. Aldi they have a warehouse. So see cupcake. See another one. This one, I can't even remember what they do, but because I like the bottle, we stayed here. Carry bottle because it's summer now. See mug. I don't even remember what these ones do. Sef, we shall stay there. Carry mug. Carry plenty sweet. Carry plenty pen. Carry plenty chewing gum. Jota. This one for Signet. So Signet was there, and I told them. They said they would get back to me. See, sweet though, plenty things. You remember that I went for Signet interview for the role of a support worker, and fortunately enough, Signet was around. So So I simply told them I'd come for their interview, and I got an unfortunately, and then they took down my details, asking what kind of visa I hold, and do I need a permanent job. I said yes. Then they took down my details that they were going to contact me. They are going to contact me tomorrow. Hopefully they do. Lots of interesting stuff out there. In fact, you can even volunteer to work with the army the next day. Hello, dear fellow.